Okay, for today we're gonna go shoulder width apart. We're gonna squat down and we're gonna push side to side, kind of opening up the hips a little bit and waking up the inner thighs. On every rep, you want to try to push your leg nice and straight and push your hips back. We're gonna squat down deep, up and down. Now, if you're not able to touch the floor, keep your hands on your thighs just like this as a modifier, with the goal of getting a little deeper on each squat, letting your own weight kind of open up. We're gonna rock side to side. Modifiers, staying tall, but still trying to rock side to side and opening up and working on your depth. Pro tip, you could also hold on to a table or something in front of you to allow yourself to get a little deeper if you're unable to control with your own body weight. And we're gonna go side to side, focusing on depth on every repetition. Very good. Everything's a nice smooth gliding motion. Very good. We're gonna go back to center. We're gonna work on our 90s. We're gonna take a knee and rotate, take a knee and rotate. Very good. We're gonna keep working the 90s, side to side. You might wanna have a pillow underneath you for comfort, and you could stay in a high position if you're unable to kneel. Very good. Side to side, back to center. And we're gonna rock side to side, palms to ground. Rise up tall, palms down, and we're gonna work our reps bending down. Now again, if you're unable to get your hands all the way to the floor, you could simply keep your elbows braced against your thighs just like this. We're gonna open up to the right. Very good. Drop the arm back down and open up, trying to loosen up that lower back. Very good. One more time on one side here. And then we're gonna go one more time to the other side for retransition. Very good. Back to center and stand up nice and tall. We're gonna rotate to the side and keep your back leg as straight as possible. You want to try to get a good hip flexor stretch here. Very nice. I'm using a wall. You could brace against the couch, any type of furniture you have at home. You don't want to be struggling balance on this one. You want to be nice and stable and open up the hip flexor. We're going to go the other side and push down nice and deep. Try to keep your chest tall and back leg as straight as possible. And again, you should feel this open up the hip flexor. We're gonna hang out here. Very good. And rise up. Back to center. We're gonna dip down, one palm down and open up. And you could always have your hand on your thigh as a modifier if you're unable to get your hand all the way to the floor. We're gonna work back on our side lunges, rocking to the side, hold the position and rock to the other side, and we're gonna hold at the bottom. Very good. And we're gonna go back to the other side, pausing at the bottom. Very good. And one more time to the other side, rocking steady, holding that bottom position. Remember the modifier from the beginning, same way, just working on opening up the inner groin. We're gonna work on the squats and we're gonna hold our elbows in prayer position. Modifiers at the top, I recommend putting your butt against the wall if you are modifying. And we're working on pushing the knees out. Very good. We're gonna finish here, guys. Nice strong push. Hold, bring in, and push. And we're gonna hold for 4, 3, 2, and 1.